poverty in China. So before knowing poverty in China and stats, we must know what is poverty. What does it mean? Poverty is a state of lacking financial resources and essential for minimum standard of living. Now what does it mean? In simple words, poverty is a state where people are unable to fulfill their basic needs, fulfill their foods, fulfill their shelters and get their clothes to wear. Now, how we consider poverty in our country? How we consider poverty in any country? So, poverty rate in a country is calculated through an imaginary line called poverty line, which is set by World Bank worldwide. Poverty line is the minimum amount of money person needs to meet its basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing. Now, if we talk about the current stats of China, that what is the status of poverty in our country? China has always aimed to eliminate poverty, improve people well-being, and gradually realize common prosperity among all. Now, if we look at the stats, we can easily know the difference between past few years and current time, that how China greatly and efficiently declined the poverty rate in our country. If we compare it from past few years, in year 2000, the poverty rate is 49.8%, and in 2005, the poverty rate is 30.2%, which is declined by 19.6%. Now, if we talk about year 2010, the poverty rate is 17.2%, which is declined by 13% in comparison to 2005. If we talk about 2012, the poverty rate is 2%, which is declined by 7% from 2010. If we talk about the current years, if we talk about the recent years, so the poverty rate in 2017 is 3%, which is a great decline from in comparison to year 2000. If we talk about 2018, it comes to 1.7%, which is declined by 1.4% in comparison to 2017. If we talk about 2019, it's 0.6%, which is declined by 1.1% from 2018. And if we talk about 2020, it's almost come to 0%. It's like a miracle. It's almost come to 0%. Poverty rate is come to 0%, which is declined by 0.6% comparison to 2019. Now, how it comes to possible? How China reached almost 0% poverty in 2020? How it comes to possible? What are the steps taken by the China to reach at that state? So, China has won the first fight against poverty in 2020. According to it, 98.9 million rural people have in poverty had drifted out of poverty. Like 98.9 million, it's such a big number. And if we talk about the steps which are taken by the China to overcome the poverty, the first step is infrastructure in poverty-stricken areas has been significantly improved. Like the areas which are affected by poverty has improved by the government, by our government. By the end of 2020, our country constructed and upgraded 1.21 million kilometers of roads and added 35,000 kilometers of railways in rural areas. If we talk about second point, public service in poverty-stricken areas has been enhanced. From 2013 to 2020, a total 108,000 schools has been upgraded, which help people to study and reduce poverty in country. The third point is the living condition of impoverished population has been fundamentally improved. More than 9.6 million of people have left their poor homes and shifted to urban areas. Now, if we talk about the future goals of China, of our country, that what we do in our future. So, the first is to resolutely prevent any large-scale relapse in poverty. It means if anyone who is willing to want to work will get the opportunity to work and get the employment. The second point is thank you.